The future of bioinformatics is here. Unlock hidden patterns in omics data using artificial intelligence and machine learning. Omics datasets are massive, noisy, and complex. Traditional tools often fall short in making sense of them. Artificial intelligence and machine learning offer the power to decode biological complexity with precision. In our 6-week international program on artificial intelligence and machine learning for omics data analysis, participants explore core ML algorithms, deep learning techniques, and large language models through hands-on biological data analysis. Work with tools and platforms like Orange, R, TensorFlow, Keras, 𝐻𝐽𝐜, and even ChatGPT to automate workflows and generate reproducible omics insights. The program offers real-time mentor-led sessions, hands-on coding using Google Colab, and downloadable scripts for practice. You'll also access recorded lectures, structured assignments, and technical support for 60 days. It all leads to a capstone project, where knowledge meets discovery. Artificial intelligence is transforming biology. This program bridges a gap between data and discovery, empowering you to extract meaning from complex omics datasets with confidence.